Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout in your phone or tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your phone, in your tablet, just go to the settings. Just go to settings using this icon and then go to display here, then here select screen timeout. By default, screen timeout is set to 1 minute. What it means, after 1 minute of inactivity of my tablet screen, phone screen will be timed out and it will be going to sleep and then it will be locked. Okay, suppose if you want to increase the length of the screen timeout, yes, you can do it. You can choose from the available options. You can choose up to 30 minutes and also you can keep never sleep. That means always your phone screen will be on until you turn it off using this lock button. Okay, so if you would like to minimize suppose screen timeout, what you have to do is you have to choose the 30 seconds or 15 seconds. Very minimum screen timeout is 15 seconds. Now see the demo. What will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my tablet screen? Tablet screen will be timed out. See here, after pausing 15 seconds, screen is dimming now and yes, it will be locked. It's going blank, then it is locked. Okay, so in this way you can easily use minimum timeout as well. Okay, suppose if you want to keep the default screen timeout, you got to choose the 1 minute option. Okay, so in this way you can easily set any screen timeout or you can set never screen timeout in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.